Paul here with Eastside Auto Spa. Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of paint protection film and what all can be covered with paint protection film to protect your new vehicle. And we're also going to talk about how to protect your old vehicle that is now increased in value significantly, and you want to keep that as nice as you possibly can. Everybody obviously knows you can protect your paint with paint protection film, but you can also protect your carbon, your lights and lenses. This car has windshield protection film, more carbon, and then pieces that people don't normally take about taking rock chips. It's more about just preserving against UV and damage from anything else that could get to it. So even the carbon hoops, the backs of carbon fiber seats, you talk about down low, especially on cars that are wide like Porsches, carbon fiber inlets, rockers, anywhere that can be touched by anything that you don't want touching your paint. Even all these scoops, everything in here is completely covered on this car from top to bottom. So as you're driving it, enjoying it, even when you're washing it, it's protected. Most people tend to damage or scratch their car while they're in the wash process or drying. So that's also a key ingredient in keeping it nice longer, but the film really gives you the opportunity to enjoy it more and worry about it less with the self-healing properties of most paint protection films that are available today. Same on this car, is everything is protected top to bottom. This is also a full car installation. And as you see, some of these cars like this or the Mark IV Supra that we did have dramatically increased in value. So now it's just as important to protect it as a new car as some of these cars get back into the six-figure range. So this is a little more complicated, a lot more custom. This is more modifying patterns, extending edges to wrap and make everything fit really nice. When you come to something like this, it's more about full custom installation, bulking the panels, removing lights and trim pieces, changing the way things go on, and really making it a seamless custom installation to protect it and to look the part as it goes down the road. We're going to show a couple demos. A lot of people don't get to see the film in bulk form, but the difference between vinyl and ceramic coatings and things like that, obviously ceramic coating doesn't give you any physical protection from impacts. Vinyl is significantly thinner than clear bra. Clear bra gives you the penetration resistance. Obviously this isn't a rock flying down the road, but you can take how much pressure it takes to get this screwdriver to go through the film. Like obviously this is very sharp, so to get it through there takes a lot of effort versus a vinyl or something going down the road. Now we're going to go through two demonstrations to kind of show other properties of the film. This is going to demonstrate the self-healing properties of the scratch resistance and swirl marks. And then we're going to show some real-world rock chip protection and what's offered compared to bare paint. Obviously this is going to be considerably more aggressive than anything you're going to rub on your car when you're washing, even car washes, etc. But you can see, you can hear how bad this is marring up your finish. And then with heat, this simulates, being out in the sun on a nice warm day, or you can take some hot water to it and you're back to fresh. This is our test panel to show rock chip protection on PPF versus unprotected. Obviously we've used this a lot. We'll try to put it in there, maybe get a cleaner section. So there's where you're going to end up with miles and miles of driving down 75 around here versus the protected side. We'll drop in. This is just the standard 8mm protection film. As you can see on this side, we have some very light marring, but no penetration. The film is fine. You can probably take a heat gun or put it out in the sun, and this would heal back to be perfectly glossy like when you start. So you have any questions about protecting your car with paint protection film, ceramic coatings, window tint, just give us a call at the shop and talk to Josh. We can get you in or get you a quote, answer any questions you may have about the products.